Hello everyone, this is Srishti from Global Solution. I am here the marketing manager and today we will be discussing about the LMPC registration. Today we will be discussing about what is LMPC certificate, who all needs the LMPC registration, what is the purpose for the LMPC registration, what are the exemptions under the LMPC Rules Act, what is the compliances, documentation and the timeline for the LMPC, what is the government fees for the LMPC registration, and how the Global Solution is going to help you to obtain you for your LMPC registration. LMPC stands for Legal Metrology Packaging Commodity. The LMPC registration is a mandatory requirement for the manufacturers, importers, packer of the packaging goods into the Indian market. There are many importers whose shipments are held at the custom port due to the LMPC registration. The LMPC Rules Act came in 2011 and it is handled by the Department of Consumer Affairs. The purpose for the LMPC is to ensure that all the product or commodities sold into the Indian market must be accurately measured, correctly labeled, and a certain information to the consumers, which includes your product volume, your dimensions, importer and manufacturer details, MRP inclusive of GST, the details and the date of the manufacturing, and much more. The LMPC registration helps and protect the consumers and ensure a fair practices into the market. Who all needs the LMPC registration? Any businesses involved in manufacturing, importing and the packaging of pre-packaged commodities into the Indian market require to take the LMPC registration. The LMPC have their higher standard for their consumers. Now, the exemptions under the LMPC Rules Act 2011, here are some examples. Any business or commodities include in bulk, not for the retail sale, do not require to take the LMPC. Any commodities net weight is 10 ml or 10 grams. Any agricultural commodities of net weight up to 50 kgs. Formulation that contains the Packaging Authority by the DPCO Drug Price Control Order 1995, which includes your medical equipments, medical and toiletry informations. Thirdly, the packages that contains 5 kg, 25 liters, except fertilizers and cements, which is up to 50 kgs. The services and the commodities for the institute and institutional consumers, which includes like your railway, hotels and hospitals. The LMPC registration is a one-page certificate registration and the government fees for the legal metrology is ₹500. You can add multiple commodities in a single certification. The documentation part for the legal metrology are your KYC document, which includes your GST certification, your import and export code certification, your certificate of incorporation, company's PAN card, authorized person's PAN card, authorized person's Aadhaar card, the detail of the commodities selling into the Indian market, and mandatory requirement is your DSC, Digital Signature Certificate. Now, Global Solution are here to provide you and help you to obtain for your LMPC registration. We are always happy to assist you and guide you for your LMPC registration. For further information and more information about my company, please visit www.globalsolution.co.in. Thanks for watching.